When was the last time you cleaned your front load dryer? Now, perhaps you haven't thought about it much, maybe you've been too busy, or you simply don't know how. Here's how to clean it. So why is it important to clean these? Well, first off, your clothes are going to take longer and longer to dry, and worst case scenario, you could even start a house fire. All right, let's get right to it. You can see this definitely needs cleaning. It is filthy. So what you want to do is start by vacuuming, making sure you get the brunt of all that fine dust. But the best way to do it, you see screws in the back here. Make sure to unscrew this whole section here, and you can just lift it off like this, and you see the holy grail of dirt. You can see this definitely needs cleaning. Take the filter screen and thoroughly wash it in a sink with some gentle soap, maybe just a little vinegar, and warm water, and make sure it's nice and clean and let it air dry. Then take a microfiber cloth with vinegar and water and wipe the entire inside down.